and this is what we're about to arrive at now. Listen, that's the sound of Andalusia, the crickets chirping in the afternoon sunshine. And here we are in La Marina, and I'm going to show you a very, very lovely property that's on the market now. From the heat of the afternoon sun, walking into this beautiful space. What a relief, it's lovely. High ceilings, big windows. The breeze, you don't need air conditioning in a house like this. Keep these windows open and the natural airflow keeps you cool. This house has been redeveloped by the Masouds of La Marina to present a really wonderful opportunity for a family to live up on this mountain, close to everything, which is just 6 to 8 minutes from here, and yet with the contemporary comfort of a very spectacular modern villa. This beautiful kitchen, with all of its high-end Siemens appliances, is really perfect. It's lacking nothing. And the space around it, use this as a breakfast bar, have a big dining area here, your salon area here, views to die for. You don't need pictures in a house like this because these are your ever-changing canvases. Within this house, there are actually 4 bedrooms at the moment. On this lower ground floor level, we have 3 full en-suites. Come and see. Each of them is this spacious. Any family living in a house like this, any member of that family would be happy to have a bedroom, wonderful, bright bathroom with a huge walk-in shower, excellent facilities. This particular bedroom, the views of the Mijas Mountains here, a wonderfully private terrace over here. Quite spectacular. Wardrobes, plenty of wardrobes. We have here, of course, a guest bathroom for those visitors coming for dinner. And then look at this lovely, lovely, lovely bedroom. Again, huge space. It's got its own living room area. And as with all the bedrooms in this villa, we've got excellent wardrobe space all along this wall. And in here, another ensuite bathroom. Perfect, with double sinks, shower, floating toilet. So this was bedroom number 2. And then we have yet another beautifully spacious 3rd bedroom. This one has an area here which can be used as an office or for seating, access to the outside terrace, again creating on a day like this the lovely breeze that comes through this house, and then through past the wardrobes to another bright, spacious, just perfectly formed bathroom. From here, we leave this ground floor level. We now are going to go upstairs to the master suite. A lovely wide staircase, and when you get to the top here, the continuation of these supersized floor tiles. So important in a contemporary home to get the floor right. The feeling of space. As soon as you put a small tile, you're tricking the eye into making you feel as though the floor is, the space is smaller. This space in itself, just a hallway, but look, cleverly adapted to be used for extra wardrobe space, a dressing area, and actually you could even make this into a small office. Let's walk into a bathroom, which is perhaps one of the biggest bathrooms you're ever going to see. High ceilings, huge space, wonderful luxury bathtub, walk-in shower, plentiful room for bathing, relaxing. And then there's the dressing area. has to be big enough for any lady who loves her clothes, or any gentleman for that matter. Flanked with wardrobes on either side, wardrobes that have got shelves, rails, so much space in here. Whatever kind of clothaholic you are, there's enough room in here for you. But then this for me is la pièce de la résistance. This bedroom is where I want to sleep. Beautiful room. Words aren't really needed. Again, you have these windows which make a feeling of a canvas. And yet that canvas is going to change as the hours go through the day, the sky changes colour, the mountains change colour. From seasons, each season this room is going to feel different. Imagine this room in the winter when the skies are dark and there's a heavy storm across those mountains. You're lying in that bed and you're watching it. Alternatively, you could equally argue that on a hot summer's night, with stars twinkling in the skies outside, what a romantic place to be. Fabulous. And when you wake up in the morning, you stand up, you take 4 steps, and you walk out into your own private paradise, this beautiful terrace overlooking your garden, the pool, the incredible Sierra Mountains of Andalusia, and you just realise how lucky you are. Look at it. Beautiful. Now down from the master suite to the main living area, and then down to the basement. Follow me. Good case, good use of tiles, excellent finishing, plenty of storage space, suitcases, bicycles, and then if you happen to be a car fanatic, this is perfect. How many cars are you going to get in here? 4 easily, probably 6 if you needed to store a couple. You could, of course, actually even adapt this into a cinema room, a spa, a gym, whatever you want. It's ready, it's well done, it's been finished in an excellent way. It's clean, it's dry, it's structurally strong, and you can bet your bottom dollar that this space is going to be something that you develop to your own taste going forward. And just in order to orientate you as to where you are, this is the gate, automatic gates. This is the garage, automatic garage doors. Into your house up the stairs, or if you prefer, you drive up to outside of the front door. And then on a long, hot, lazy summer afternoon, you come down, crystal waters of our own private swimming pool. We kick off our shoes, we dip our dainty little toes into the water, we allow the cool waters to lap around our tired legs, and we reflect on what we've just seen and felt and experienced. This villa, 570 square metres on a plot of 2,850 square metres in La Marina, 8 minutes to the beach of Elveria, surrounded by some of the most spectacular Andalusian countryside that you could ever wish to see. And this villa can be yours for €2,400,000. Wonderful, wonderful opportunity for somebody who values this type of lifestyle.